Hello, my name is Leo Cruz. I was a former teammate with Efren sa Sales Group B at Eastern Telecoms. And syempre, mga magagaling nauuna. So there was one time when he became my supervisor. One thing I noticed with Efren is Efren has this special, unique talent of having charisma with people. One time, medyo I asked him if he could help me out and support me to go to Baguio to visit one of our top customers there. And I noticed, pagkatapos ng meeting, when we are going back to Manila, ang tawag na sa kanya nung customer, paring Efren. So, I was at ease right away that we got the human relationship or the human relations aspect of dealing with the customer. So, companies spend tons of money for training, but that's one thing I learned from Efren. He's very good with human relations, and he takes care of his customers to the point that if there's an outage in his customer base, siya na ang dispatcher, tawag sa kanya dispatcher sa FOB, because siya na nagdi-dispatch kung sino uunahin. And I'm just grateful for having an opportunity of working with him and meeting him in my life. And with all these things that had happened, him going ahead, my only solace and my comfort that I have is that he is here with me. So, parang Efren, so thank you for the laughter. Thank you for the dinengdeng sa Baguio. Thank you for the papaitan. Thank you for the pinikpikan na chicken. And thank you for the Bonuan Bangus in San Fabian, Pangasinan. Thank you for Arlene had taught you well. I did not realize you were very domesticated. And I just hope that someday we will meet again. And for now, farewell, my friend. I love you, brother. Till next time.